gbogbo tí mo wúlé ní àrọ̀ àríbẹ̀ àṣẹbẹ̀ àríbẹ̀ gbogbo ojúlùmọ̀ ṣó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ṣó ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bí tó ó balẹ̀ ó dàṣẹ ó ní àṣẹ olówóde ọ̀run.
Your Imperial Majesty, with all respect, we want to honor Mama as you go ahead with the anthem of OAU. Being an alumnus of the Citadel of Learning, greatest Ife.
Before you sing that song, because of all the prayers offered for the land by His Imperial Majesty, I also saw our former president, our father, His Excellency Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, saying our share to all the prayers. Can we please put our hands together for Baba Olusegun Obasanjo? A round of applause for him, please.
Now we want to say greatest Ife. For the greatest Ife. If you're a buoyant and proud ambassador of your international renowned university, let's take that now. After Baba's confirmation. Thank you.
Now please, shall we put hands together for Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. See the way Mama looks, very grandiose.
Mama do gbogbo gba wọ́n ti ẹ̀ wá tún tẹ́gbẹ̀rẹ̀ bí ọkọ tuntun lónìí. Àdán kú báyìí ni ohun ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ní kú báyìí. Ẹ pẹ́ bàbá wa ti fàṣẹ lé. Yes. Èyí yẹ bàbá. So,
now,
we're warming up for the greatest event.
Now, please, with the kind permission, see Baba Tisheton. Toba Boucher.
With your permission, sir.
Great is my answer.
Great anthem, do we go ahead, sir?
May I?
If you're a proud ambassador of
Africa's most beautiful country. We are conscious, vigilant, progressive, and for learning and culture, sports and struggle, great effect. I love you, there's only one great effect in the universe.
Another great
event is a counterfeit. Race.
Thank you.
Mama even dancing to that anthem.
Thank you very much.
You will live long.
Amen. Long may you reign, long may you live, and in good health. I can see Her Excellency going to pay homage to Chief Olusegun Obasanjo and the Sultan and the former First Lady.
She donated the entire money she had, 20 billion naira for humanity, and that is what Ife is made of. If you know
I would like to seize this opportunity to invite the Vice Chancellor of